Hey, what's good out there, YouTube world? It's your boy Narley back again from Pureboys Organics, and today we got another mail call. Shout out to the people over there at BloomPlus. They sent over the BloomPlus 3000 for me to check out, for me to review, unbox. I just cut the top of the box open. I haven't checked out the light yet, so we're gonna see this together. I still got the Mars Hydro up here in the big tent. But I'm gonna put a bigger light in here. I'm gonna switch out the Mars. I'm gonna throw the Mars over here in a small tent. So I'm gonna switch that out. I'm gonna put a bigger light in here. I'm gonna put a bigger light in this one. So that's how we gonna rock. But yeah, we're gonna check out the Bloom Plus 3000. And then we're gonna get it up in the tent later today. I'll show you guys how it looks with the light on. Then we're gonna get some plants under it. We're gonna show y'all how to grow, man. So let's get it. Let's check it out. So we got that out the box. It's in a little like case. So we can lift this up and boom. There we go. BloomPlus 3000. This thing looks really nice. Really nice diodes on it. Definitely built nice. Nice heat sink, nice and heavy. Not too heavy though. Came with some ratchet ropes, which is dope. So we can get this thing up today. And yeah, man, just another good LED to add to the collection to grow with. And we'll get this thing up and show you guys how it grow, man. So shout out to BloomPlus, man. Shout out to the good people over there, man. We are gonna get growing with this BloomPlus 3000 as soon as I can get it up. I'm looking to get I used to have a third big tent so I could space out my plants. So I'm gonna probably get a third big tent and put this up in there and move some stuff around so we can grow it. Yes, sir. It's good out there, YouTube world. It's your boy Narley back from Pureboys Organics. And right now we're looking at the BloomPlus 3000. Got it up in a bigger tent. This thing is pretty bright. I don't really see no shadows in here, so this should be good to go for a grow. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna put in here. Got it in the Viva Sun tent. So it's the BloomPlus 3000. Shout out to everybody at BloomPlus 3000 for sending this over at BloomPlus. We're gonna pump. Gonna try to do like however many plants we could do in here. So we're gonna figure it out. 1000.